If your app is paid, testers cannot install it directly. So we create a temporary $0 sale. This is the easiest and most reliable way for closed testing. 12 testers, closed test help. We help you get production access for your app. First, open your Play console. Go to Monetize with Play, then Products, and open App Pricing. Now switch to the Sales tab and click on Create Sale. After clicking the Create Sale button, a form will appear where you need to fill some important details. First, enter a sale name. You can give any name, like Closed Test Help. Next, focus on the start and end date. For the start date, it's recommended to select tomorrow, because Google Play usually takes some time to activate the sale. Then, choose the end date. You can set it for 7 days, so your testing can run smoothly without interruption. Next, you will see a drop-down option for price type. Here, make sure to select Fixed Price. This is very important. Now, in this step, you need to select the available countries or regions. Click on the Countries Regions section, and then choose the option to set pricing. Here, you can simply select all countries, so your app will be available for testers everywhere. Make sure all regions are selected properly. Once you do that, you will see a dialog box for pricing. In this section, you need to set the price to 0. After entering 0, click on Submit. Now your sale will be successfully created. You'll see that the sale is scheduled to start from tomorrow onwards. Once it's created, you can inform your testers that the sale is active, and they can start installing your app.